Hi everybody, I'm Roxana Pishak. I'm going to be your teacher this semester for Comp 310, Advanced Technical Communication. And I wanted to post just a quick video to tell you a little bit about myself, my self-introduction, and a little bit about the course and the protocol that I'll be following this semester. There'll be a couple of other videos in this folder. One will give you a quick tour of how our Blackboard course is organized, and a third one will show you a new app that's available on Blackboard this semester that I think a lot of you will appreciate having access to. So first of all, about me, my name, as I said, it's Roxana Pishak. That's how my last name is pronounced. I've been teaching at Morrisville for over 20 years, and I've been teaching this course for a long time. So I have a lot of experience with it. I know what kinds of things confuse students with this course. I know the places where they tend to do well. I know the places where some students tend to struggle. You know, I've seen a lot of these things. I've heard a lot of things. So don't ever be afraid to talk to me, ask any questions about anything. And speaking of that, I will be on campus this semester. I have office hours in my office in Crawford Hall, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So if you are on campus, please come by and see me. If you can't make those office hours, but you'd like to meet in person, just send me an email and we'll find a time when we can get together. Meeting face-to-face and talking about any issues you might have face-to-face, it's very helpful, I find, than trying to do everything through email. But if you are off campus, email is a suitable alternative. Sometimes conversations are a little bit too complicated to have on email, and if that's ever the case, we can arrange to meet and collaborate on Blackboard or Teams if you're more comfortable with Teams or anything else. I mean, we can FaceTime, we can do whatever works for you. So really don't ever hesitate to get in touch with me. This course is, full disclosure, it's not the most exciting course in the world. You know, it's about writing in the workplace, but it is an incredibly practical course. Most people, when they complete this course, they admit that they feel really happy to have taken it. They feel that they've learned a lot and that they've learned some skills that they will definitely take with them in the future as they go into the workplace or in some cases into graduate school. So anytime you need anything from me, please don't hesitate to reach out. I try to be really prompt in replying to emails, get back to you as soon as possible. I look forward to working with you and reading your self-introductions in the discussion section. And don't forget to watch the other two videos. Thanks a lot.